Hello aspirants, welcome to AQ IAS YouTube channel. This video forms a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about PLI scheme. So friends, if you recall, we have already discussed about PLI scheme in one of our current affairs videos. But in that video, we focused upon specialty steel because PLI scheme was approved for specialty steel. In today's video, we'll focus on ACC batteries, advanced chemistry cells. So these batteries depend heavily on cobalt and lithium, and we actually import these metals. So this increases the cost of production of ACC batteries. Now you must know this thing that ACC batteries are used for electric vehicles, and these batteries are being used for other electronic items as well. And in the future, the demand for these batteries will increase. Why? Because we are moving towards electronic ecosystem. So keeping this situation in mind, government has approved this scheme for ACC batteries. Now you must be knowing about ACC batteries. These batteries store electric energy as chemical energy, and this chemical energy gets converted into electric energy whenever it is required. And about PLI scheme, although we have already discussed in one of our current affairs videos, as I said earlier, but let me give you a little idea. This PLI scheme was introduced as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. So initially it was introduced for large scale electronics manufacturing. But later it was expanded to other sectors as well, because it was approved for specialty steel, textiles, pharmaceuticals. Now it has been approved for ACC batteries. So from the prelims perspective, you must be knowing that this has been PLI scheme has been approved for ACC batteries, specialty steel, and you must be knowing the objective as well. The objective is to increase the incremental sales. Now, in this case, the focus is going to be on the exploration of these metals. Now, this PLI scheme will provide an impetus to the exploration of lithium and cobalt metals. Now, once we have the enough availability of these metals, the cost of production will reduce considerably, and ACC batteries will be available at cheaper rates. So that's all you need to know as far as the prelims is concerned. And I'm providing the notes. You can go through this PDF in order to revise for the upcoming prelims. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next video soon. Thank you very much.